What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at our favorite Tesla stock. So we'll do the price action analysis as how the week has closed, and let's see, is Tesla still holding that bullish pivot, especially the pullback that we have been talking about, that this is just a pullback as long as the structure holds. Is the structure still holding? Let's talk about all of that in this video. I'll also take you over the price action and we'll also take a look at QQ and SPY as well, high level. And then over the weekend, I'll be doing a lot more detailed video on Tesla for its weekly price action as well, together with as other things I'm seeing going into next week. So let's begin with that. Before I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm just sharing my opinion here. All right, so what we did this week is we tested the all-time highs here of the channel, and then we started to sell off. And I have been saying that, guys, as long as we still close in this box of 180 to 184, we are still just in a pullback situation. With Tesla, the structure is already changed to the upside after once we broke this $160 to the upside, and structure is to the upside, guys, since then. Now, I said that if we close any of the day below 180, consider this is a deeper pullback and a weakness, and then 175 together with 50 days moving average is the possible last line of defense for this structure to hold that we are in the uptrend. Until then, this has to be just taken as a pullback as long as we don't break close below this blue box. So far, Tesla has done that. So yes, structure is still in the bullish side. Structure is not looking bearish, all right? Now, what else am I seeing here? So let's go to the hourly interval. So structure is holding bullish. On hourly interval, guys, the thing is also that we talked about this level of 178 where this big wick candle came, where the buying is happening. This is also coinciding with this demand zone over here when Tesla gapped up. So far, we are holding that level just fine. Even today, you can see we sold off, right? We sold off dramatically, all the way going up to 184, top of the that blue box. Sold off again. Look at the day trading levels plus marked by my indicator, and again you can see that these significant levels as well, which are marked by my indicator, especially at this 184, which is hidden by this blue box right now. But if I take you let's go to the hourly interval. So you can see the significant levels where the price is reacting so much is already marked by my indicator, 184 and 180 as well, right? This is where price has been reacting and bouncing, right? So we are like on hourly interval, guys, we have been forming this good support at this level of 178 and getting all the time closed back into that blue box above 180. So yeah, the structure is still bullish. It is a good consolidation. The only thing is that we shouldn't break at this time. If we break 178, it's going to be really hard to come back up. Well, 175 in that case may not hold, in my opinion. Then we might be coming down. The structure will become, guys, weaker, and unfortunately the stronger uptrend will go away. We will get into the weaker uptrend, but a massive pullback to the downside. Then we are watching this 200 hours moving average. But I want to keep the structure bullish in my thesis as long as we are above and closing above 180, and 175 is more like 50 days moving average is a support that in the day if we go lower there, then we need to be bought back up in the price action. That's what we want to see, and we are seeing that. So structure is still bullish. Now, what we want to see is Tesla needs to get out of this 184 because that's where the acting resistance is now from 3 days. Even today we saw this sell-off. So, and then we are seeing a good support for more than around 4 days. So you get my point, right? The break on either direction, break above 184 is an upside continuation. Break below 180 is a downside continuation. At this point, it's not going to take much long. Tesla doesn't like to go sideways for 4 or 5 days. 3 days are too much for Tesla already. So it all comes down to which direction it breaks. And for that, let's actually go to the 5 minutes interval and let's see what we are seeing. So today we have a little bit of a higher low. Yes, we did sell off, but we have a higher low here already. And what we want to do is, guys, going into Monday, Tesla needs to get above 182 as soon as possible. That as in the possibility of us breaking 184. Even if, let's say, we don't close above 184 next week, if we can close just above 182, that's still a positive sign on Tesla for the upside direction. So in other words, I'm still bullish on Tesla. Structure is still bullish right now, and the price action is still looking fine to me. Yes, it's been pressurized to the downside, but that's still just a pullback in this little bit of a cool off. Structure is not broken or is not changed to the downside. And then I'll talk more about over the weekend, guys, what I'm seeing with Tesla as we're going into next week and what other things we need to be focusing on. Okay. Let's very high level take a look at QQ and SPY. So QQ closed above that blue box, and this is what I was saying. As if we get out of this. Yesterday I talked about there's a pivot forming here, and QQ is looking strong, and this time it might get out of this blue box. It is getting out of that blue box. So very bullish right now, $8.53. If Tuesday it stays above this 430, oh sorry, Monday if it stays above 435, it will continue higher. And otherwise, yeah, if we lose any time again 432, then consider downside again. At least this gap fill, then we'll see a lot of other things. SPY is also bullish right now, as I was saying yesterday, that this green wick candle is coming at a wick, oh sorry, a pivot, which may keep this thing bullish, and it is keeping it bullish. So today, yes, we gapped up above $510, and this thing is looking bullish right now. So yeah, if it's not losing 507 again, it will stay bullish in my opinion now on SPY. Guys, that's all for this video. I'll be doing a lot more videos throughout this weekend, and a lot more other stocks. So hit the like, subscribe. Options data today I'm not covering on Tesla because the last day is usually, guys, all balanced out. There are a lot of 0 day to expirations options that are traded, so there is no point in going over the chart. But I'll be talking about for the next week options over the weekend as well. So guys, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, guys. Bye.